These are the wood chips you can expect from the P4206 model petrol driven wood chipper, chipping up to a width of 120 millimeters to 150 plus minus. Jock is going to tell us more.
Okay, so yeah, we've got the wood chipper with the 420cc in petrol engine, and standard 4-stroke engine with a 360-degree turning radius on the exit, as well as easy accessibility, changing your blades on the drum. So there's your blade. You've got 2 blades, cutting blades on the bed knife, accessibility on the bed knife, where it gets feed into the wood chipper. Then you've got your emergency stop, the push here, and another emergency stop.
The model is driven by a self-propelled, self-feeding system. So once the material is entered, it feeds itself.
Okay, so always remember safety glasses. Then you got your choke on it. You got the electric start. If the battery is flat, you got a manual start on it. So always make sure you've got enough petrol in the unit, and you got also check the oils. Just give it a few minutes just to warm up, about a minute or 2. After it's warm, then you accelerate.
A very straightforward design, very robust design, excellent price range. So if you're in the market for a petrol wood chipper, give MCM a shot. We are your go-to company.